Alright, so this will be the right video on how to use this little container to make half-boiled eggs. So first what you need is actually water, boiling water. So I'll leave it here to boil. So usually 2 minutes is enough to boil water. So until it starts boiling, then we'll be adding the water inside here. Alright, so once the water is boiled, then I would just quickly take my egg and put it inside the container here. And then pour over here. So there's actually an indicator which is not very obvious right now, but there's an indicator on how much water is, so you need to put it up to the first line here. So I'll just quickly add in the water. Okay, so it's up to the first line. Quickly cover it, and then once the water just falls all the way through and evaporates, then your egg is already done. Alright, so the water has already evaporated here, so the egg is now ready to be eaten. Okay, now let's see how it's actually gonna turn out. Wow, so it's true what they say. This truly is a no fail-proof recipe. Fail-proof recipe. All done, just like the shop. All done, so now let's enjoy. So the egg, when you break it up, it's just a little watery, so it's just nice. So instead of spending a lot of money at the shop and paying for this, you might as well just make it at home. The container only costs 10 ringgit, so it's actually a lot cheaper. If you go out to the shop, it's going to cost you at least 4-5 ringgit. In Malaysia, for bread toast with egg, so an egg will cost you what, 50 cents or ringgit if you get like a proper expensive one. So make it at home, and you can do it for your whole family. So the container, actually you can do it for up to 4 eggs that they allow for this, so it's pretty convenient. And cheers. Tastes just like the shop.